Hey guys, welcome to my first video of this channel. On this channel I will be posting like gameplays and things that I would like to share with someone that is cool. And on today's video we are going to play Gorilla Tag. I like Gorilla Tag a lot. It's my favorite game of all time. I play a lot of games, so on today's video we are going to try the new snowball glitch that you can fly really high, and I play on Steam. Maybe that's why I can fly further, you know, because there's some people that play on standalone that I know that can't. I did not test the standalone. I play on Quest 2, so I could test, but I did not test. I will go on the future probably, but I play on Quest 2, 90 Hertz, and on Steam with Quest Link with the cable on my PC. I did not buy the game because I started playing this game like 3 years ago. It was free. Okay, so I'm on a casual private code, just me. Hold on. There. And I will be teaching you guys how to do the snowball. So first off, you're gonna grab a big ball here. You can just insert other balls. Oh, shit. Like grab these balls, get them together, you know, till it becomes the biggest that you can have on the hand. You can only have one, but we need just one. And you wanna, as I was saying, and you wanna, oh my god, what these cats, bro. And you wanna grab the ball and smack it really hard on the ground, okay? So smack it really hard. Oh my gosh, I sent flying. Yeah, that's how you do it. I mean, but it's on first person for you guys to see. So grab the ball here, the ball. Whoa. Okay. Grab the ball, and then you just smack it on the ground really hard, and try to flick, you know, flick like this. Yes, you go really far, as you can see. So what I've discovered, yeah, a lot of people know that, but you can get outside the map with this by going there. Why am I grabbing this? By going there or to tutorial. You can skip the map by here. Hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, like you go on this stick, this branch of the giant tree, tallest tree that we have, and you just wanna smack it. Or there's an easier way that is like standalone can do this. You just gotta hang this up here. I don't know how to do this way because I've learned the other way. But drop this and jump. Oh, I did it! Oh, never mind. As you can see, it works. You just gotta drop the ball. Like, drop the ball from here, and then jump with it, and then jump. I did it! Okay, see? We can skip the map like this. And if you want to go to tutorial, it's going to be by here. Okay. You want to grab the ball, and you will do the same thing right here. Like this. Oh, I missed. But you see, it's totally possible. It's easy. I think. You can learn this really fast. But I like to do this way. But it's kind of harder, maybe. I don't know. Because you need to aim at the thingy. And still hit really hard. Yeah, I can. Oh my god, bro. Okay, hold on. Oh no. Guys, let me try this. Man. Never mind. I will just do the way that I know. I hate going to tutorial. I'm so bad at going to tutorial. I'm better there, I think. For me, it's way easier. No way, bro! I'm going to rage quit on this game. I'm gonna rage quit on a gorilla game. Oh no! I could do it. I could do it. I'm not using long arms. Over. Hold on. Let me just. Okay. Again. What was that? Oh my gosh. That was so powerful. How did I manage to do this? What the? Never seen that before. It was like way powerful than I could do it. So in tutorial I've discovered, I don't know if people know this, but I've discovered a way from here to go jump this wall, you know, and go to the other zone that you can go by the tree there. So you can go like there by jumping this wall. Hold on, let me show you if I can, because I tried like first try and I did it, and I don't know how because it's really hard, I think. Let's try it. And watch out not to fall there. Let's see. Yeah, you know, it's kind of hard. You gotta like with your left hand wall run right here like this and then smack the ball. Did it. I did it. Yeah, as you see, guys, now I'm here. Oh, and there's a way to get. Oh, you can't do that on standalone, I think. And you can go to the other side of this ramp by doing the snowball glitch like this. But it's quite dangerous here. Why am I walking here, bro? Well, but it's dangerous because there's a wind that keep pushing you, like, oh my god. As you can see, I can't walk backwards. Oh, I did it. Yeah, I fell. So that's what I've discovered. I don't know if anyone knows this before me, but I'd like to share it with you guys. And oh my god, bro. This was it, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this and helped you guys to go tutorial or something like that. And goodbye.